Hello, I'm Charlotte Chan. Today I'm going to show you a puzzle that my mother bought for me. It's a 200 pieces.
200 pieces?
It's like a lot for 6 kids.
For 6 years old?
Yeah, it's like a lot of 6 kids.
Yes. Okay.
And then when you finish this puzzle, it's actually very a lot. So you might get some smaller pieces instead for bigger. Like these whole pieces, I just took it out. And
Do you want to introduce the characters?
what?
Who are the characters?
Anna, Elsa, Olaf. Olaf hair is so spiky until I can pocket.
Okay, so
Olaf doesn't have any hair. Olaf is this hair.
okay, Charlotte, just now you were saying the snowman song is beautiful. Can you sing and try to fix the puzzle while you sing? Ready and go. Do you?
Do you want to be a snowman? Do you want to be a snowman? Or ride a horse on the horse? I never see you anymore. It's like you anymore. It's like you gone away. We need to be together, but now we're not. I wish you can tell me why. Do you want to be a snowman? Do you want to be a snowman? Okay, bye.
Don't forget to
Subscribe to my channel.
Charlotte Chan SE. Okay, one more time. say it properly.
No?
Okay, bye bye everyone.
Bye.